Good morning. That was a rough night, I can assure you that.
Yeah.
That rain, that wind, it was... we haven't slept so much.
No, we have not. But it was super rainy and a heavy wind. I woke up just because of the rain, but...
And it was so cold and all that wind in the tent, and we have a conversation anyway.
Yeah, that I don't understand. It's super wet inside, but...
They can't almost see you here, so it's too dark.
Yeah.
I had a red jacket.
Yeah. But
so
now, coffee and oatmeal, and then we walk on because it's freezing. We are sitting in a little hut because here's
a
dirt. Here's no wind and no rain in here for now. When it started to rain yesterday, it got through the roof, but now in morning time it's no rain, so...
Yeah, and I'm so longing for coffee. My head is longing for coffee. So, see you on the trail.
A colorful lady!
I look like...
You have everything on.
Yeah.
Now we got new bridges without edges. But look at this. Nice. Beautiful. And it's super cold. I have two double jackets, my down jackets and my rain jacket on. Because it's so cold. And then I got everything on.
I have a down jacket and everything. I'm so cold.
Yeah.
And my boots. See how long it works this time. It's too cold for the cameras. It just shuts off when it wants to.
That's a normal problem. That's not a new problem.
No, that's what it is with the GoPro.
Overheated after 20 minutes and it's...
shut down when it's too cold.
Yeah.
And it's really cold. I think we have 1 or 2 degrees, and my friends, we have seen the first snowflakes. They were not big and they were combined with rain, but still I saw the...
We're just standing here enjoying the view.
Absolutely amazing. I will do like this.
We go for thumbnail Dan maybe. And Dan is the green one and Anna is the red one. Can you see the difference? I think you can.
Yeah, green and green.
Yeah. And this is not a camera problem we have. It's just a regular GoPro problem. If it's too cold, they shut down, and if it's too hot, they shut down. We use this camera a lot in Southeast Asia, and we can film around 20 minutes, and then it shuts down because it's overheated.
But now we connected to the Volta instead, so we passed by the battery.
Yes,
so maybe it's working quite well.
Yeah. But again, this is just... Here is why we do this, to be completely honest. So,
look over there.
When the snow hit us 10-15 minutes ago, I felt like shit. But now when I walk here, you see a little bit sun, far away in the horizon. You feel, oh, this is why we are here. And it's a nice feeling. Now I feel good again.
Yeah, and I'm not cold.
No.
I'm wet on my feet, like I tried to say earlier, but when the camera shuts off, it's leaking in my boots because a seam has been losing up. So, but hopefully it will just stick to the last couple of weeks here. So yeah.
Yeah, and I took off my down jacket because I was too hot, so I had to put it off in the rain. But and now of course no rain.
Yeah, because this one really brings capsule in the heatness.
Yeah, takes away some wind and hold in the heat.
But I still have my beautiful skirt down skirt under here.
Yeah, but that's nice.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
I really like it. That's so cold on my behind.
So now we go down to the Pite Elv.
Yeah.
Now I think it's just down, and then I don't want to film because it's slippery. The rocks are a little bit slippery and it's super wet, of course. So
see you downstairs. Downstairs.
see you downstairs. Look at this beautiful views again. Is this the most majestic view I have ever seen on this trail? Maybe it is. But look at this. Mountains over there, and we came from over there. And some kind of river there. Maybe Pite Elven, I don't know. That's the next part of this trail is Pite Elven. And that feels nice. And now no rain for over 1 hour. We walked like 6-7 kilometers, and we saw a Canadian guy who was freezing in the tent. He was super cold. It took him like over 2 hours to get hot. Everything was wet in his tent, so I think we got lucky with our pitching of around the dirt. So that's very, very nice. And it's still working. Now I'm trying the battery again. But now it's not so cold outside, so that's no problem. But look at the views, guys. Look at the views.
Here we have the thumbnail of today.
Thank you, Catherine, for the coffee. We have used your shit over there.
Yeah, it went so fast. Look at this. And now we got the hot coffee really fast. And I am so happy with my jacket. But look at your trousers.
Yeah, I'm so dirty.
So,
super nice spot. Let's sit down and enjoy our little lunch. But you have to speak up here because the draft in the water is hard. But we have a newly boiled water, so I feel it's gonna be tasty. I'm not freezing now. I even walked in a t-shirt the last bit.
yeah, no wind here because the trees taking the wind and the sun is out.
And so before we go, I'm gonna clean my face and under my armpits, because I didn't do that yesterday. I just clean my ass.
Yeah, so did I, and I have done some. I have washed my handkerchief and washed my underwear. I can use socks a few days. I can use socks and I can use my shirt, but I cannot use the same underwear 2 days in a row. That's not. But well, I'm going to eat and enjoy this. Enjoy this lunch. Pite Elv. We have one bridge there, and this one, and over here. And look at this. Famous Pite Elv. And a sketchy bridge. No, it's not sketchy. But I don't like it when they're swinging under my feet.
Early shower today. We washed ourselves down there in the stream. And it was super nice, and it's sunny here, it's no wind here, so we just used the rags and the waters and just hose it over ourselves. So it was super nice.
And brush the teeth.
Yeah, and brush the teeth as well.
That was an amazing feeling.
Yeah. So now I feel a little bit refreshed. Yeah, it's a good day. It's a really good day. It's sunny, it's rain, it's a little bit of everything.
So now I feel I thought I'm gonna feel a bit disgusting with the same shirt, but I don't do that because you're not that sweaty because it's not so hot.
No, and now we have to see how long farther we have to walk today. We have a little bit of a resting cabin we want to go to, and tomorrow we're going to Smygehuk, and that we're longing for as well. And then in Smygehuk we're gonna check out, there is some mandatory boats you have to take. So then we have to check out where they go from and how you do that, because everyone we have met here is talking about the boats, and I thought Kungsleden was a walking trail, not a boat trail. So, but yeah, it's going to be fun to take those boats. Exciting. We have taken 3 boats already.
Yeah, 1 rowing boat and 2 other motorboats.
Yeah, and they are talking about maybe 2-3 boats up to Aberskog more. So that's really exciting. So it's going to be nice to see how we do about those. Is it private boats or is it waiting boats or whatever it is? But less talking and more walking and loading the camera. It's yellow batteries. But look at this place. Today's shower place. Nice.
The most perfect autumn view. Am I under? Yeah.
So flexible.
Huh?
Yeah, so flexible. And this is another reindeer crossing, I think.
Man.
And now we have incredible weather. Incredible. It's hot. It feels nice. We have blueberries. We have red berries here. We saw reindeers down there, a lot of them. So now maybe this is a reindeer enclosure because here we got the fence. So what a great day it is. We started up with rain and we got snow, and now we have taken a swim in a little pond there. So a day with everything. And we just called to, we have a little bit of self-service up there, so we called to Smygehuk, but the SDF cabin there is fully booked, so there's no accommodation for us, unfortunately. So now we have to see the next time we get some, because when Anna hung up her phone, the service disappeared again. So we have to see if we can find another place for, try to book something for tomorrow in Smygehuk. But the SDF was full, but there must be some area or B&B or camping or something else we have to see. And now we walked a little bit up, so here is dry land. And that feels nice as well, so not I'm still wet in both my boots, but no, over in half an hour with not so much wetness on the ground, and that feels good as well. But and here's a tent spot. Nice. So here's someone has tented. And this we find little everywhere. Let's see the mountains. Beautiful.
not break. We have 8 kilometers left to that cabin, that rest hut. So we have to eat something.
Yeah.
But look at this.
We have had 8 kilometers, the last 5 kilometers. So it's strange.
It was 24 from the start, and we have walked almost 20 kilometers, and we have 8 left.
Yeah.
So, yeah. The measurement up here is, it is what it is. I just have to show you how steep this really are. Look at this, and look at this. I thought we were going, the hike was down here, but no, we're going up here. Oh, I'm so tired. It was a very rough hike today, because from that dirt and down that mountain it was very slow because it was so steep, and then you go down to Pite Elv, and then from there you go up again over this mountain here, and on the other side I think we have 1 hour left. And we thought we were going to be here at 4. We're going to be here at 7. So, yeah, that miscalculation is quite rough. But, yeah, 1 hour left, I think. We have to see. Whew. Finally, here is the cabin. The time is 8 o'clock in the evening. I have been walking, I think, 32 kilometers. I'm tired, so now I'm gonna pitch the tent. We're gonna eat something. So yeah, a beautiful evening, and I'm happy we have this place. Yeah, and it's too cold. The camera died again.
Yeah, but it's just the weather now.
Yeah, because I think we have 2 or 3 degrees.
Yeah, but
it's freezing cold, and I'm so cold on my right foot because it's just leaking in water.
I'm
and
not
mud.
cold at all. I am sweaty Betty because I ran to here and now I'm gonna get water. I put on some lights and now I'm gonna cook rice with white cabbage, and I'm not hungry, but I'm just tired. This was too late again.
Yeah,
and,
over 30
the map,
kilometers.
Yeah, the map says 24, and I think we have walked 34 kilometers, because
so.
my phone has 30 plus kilometers.
30, I have over 32.
So it's over 10 kilometers wrong.
Yeah. So I will pitch the tent. I'm tired. So is this the end?
Yes.
Yes.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. We can't stop watching.